How to change font size on Messenger. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Without further ado, let's get started. At first, I will show you my current font size on Messenger. For that, I will open Messenger. As you can see, the font size is currently small. Now come back to the home screen. To change the font size, you cannot do it directly from Messenger itself. You will need to change the font size in your system settings at first. After that, Messenger automatically adapts to the font size set in your system settings. So, open settings on your device. Scroll down until you find the display option. Then tap on it. Scroll down to the bottom. Over here, you will see the font section. Tap on text size. From here, you can increase or decrease the font size. If you want to increase the font size, select the dots available on the right. If you want to decrease the font size, select the dots available on the left. Choose based on your preference. I prefer a larger font, so I will select the very right dot, which is XXL. But please keep in mind that this setting is a device setting, so it applies to your entire device, not just Messenger. Once you have selected your preferred font size, come back to the home screen, open Messenger app on your device, and boom! You have successfully changed the font size on Messenger. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.